My respected brothers and my sisters, today I would like to talk to you about New Year. In this journey of our life, that we are here for a bigger purpose of life. And as a conscious and cautious Muslim, time is the most valuable thing. And as we know, this dunya is a darul amal. Every second that I will be in this dunya, my accountability will be based on that time. The very first thing that I want to share in my reflection is that today is the day of thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yawm Tashakkur, that I should be shakir to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that He has given me opportunity that I was able to live this life for another year, so that I can fulfill my commitment with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so I can get more close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And today is the day of happiness for those people. If they look back, they feel like that they are more close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and they have made some progress. So these are the people, they should be happy as well today. And today is the day of self accountability, that I should do reflection that how was my last year, the commitment I had made with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that I will live this life as a conscious and cautious Muslim. I will make sure that every second of my life I will be very watchful and very careful, that I will try my best to fulfill my commitment with you, Ya Rabbul Alameen. The commitment I have made, inna salati wa nusuki wa mahyaya wa mamati lillahi Rabbil Alameen, that everything which I will do will only be to please you, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And today is the day of Tajdeed Ahad, renewal of the commitment with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So today I will make a fresh commitment, resolution, renewal of commitment, that Ya Allah, whatever time you have written for me in this dunya, I will make sure that I will take advantage of every second of my life, because time is the most precious and valuable thing for me as a Muslim, because I will be accountable one day for every second I have spent in this life. So I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on this day of Tashakkur, thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, on this day of self accountability, on this day of happiness, on this day of renewal of my commitment with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I will live a life in which I will be more conscious and more careful and more thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us all. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.